Hey guys, so we are back and today we will study the basics of Matlab. Okay, so when you open your Matlab, this is our tab, plots, apps. These are some of the shortcuts. Okay, you can create just like I created here F and Q, but we will come back to it later. And this is the current folder, this is the current directory in which we will create our scripts like here from here, and this is the workspace. Basically workspace shows the variables, which variable we are creating, and this is the detail. Suppose if I am selecting some file here, so that detail of that file will be shown here, and this is the command history. Whatever I write here in the command window, it shows here. This is the command history. Okay, this is my command window here. So today we will study how to create a variable. Okay, it's really very easy in Matlab because it's scripting. It's high level language still, but there is no conundrum with the syntax. Okay, you can write it just like that. A equals to 2. This is like that. A equals to 2. So our variable is created A. As you can see here in the workspace, A is 2, value is 2, minimum 2, max 2. Okay, in the command history, A equals to 2. Okay, in the current folder, but in the current folder it shows only scripts. So A equals to 2. Okay, and I would like to tell you one more thing. If I write A equals to 2 and then semicolon, then my output is suppressed. Okay, here you can see that in the above instruction I didn't write the semicolon, but in this I wrote the semicolon, so my output is suppressed. Okay, so and the next one we have is the array and the matrix. Okay, so how do we create an array? Capital A equals to, it's simple basically, 1 space 2 space 3 space 4. This is my one-dimensional array, just like that. Okay, and if I wrote here semicolon followed by semicolon, then the output is suppressed. Okay, so as you can see here, as long as I am creating variable, these variables are showing in workspace. Okay, and this is my A, simple. This is my command history. Whatever I write here, it will show here in the command history. Okay, and this is my array, simple 1 cross 4 array. Okay, so how do I create matrix? It's simple. Matrix is also simple. Basically matrix is a collection of rows and columns. In my first row I want to put 1 2 3 4. Okay, and now to put the elements in the second row, we have to put here semicolon and just give space or not give space, it's up to you. 2 3 4 5. Okay, then space 6 7 8 9. Okay, just okay, we are not putting here semicolon. So this is our matrix: 1 2 3 4, 2 3 4 5, and 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is our matrix, and you can also see here, if I put here semicolon, the output is suppressed. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that the default data type in the Matlab is double, as you can see here. Okay, there are multiple data types like uint 8, uint 16, uint 32, signed as well. U means unsigned, but the default data type in the Matlab is double. Okay, so and array and matrix creation is done. Now we will come with the matrix operation. Okay, suppose matrix operation, there are lots of matrix operation, like first we will study transpose. Okay, suppose B equals to B transpose, and that's that. So now the B will become transpose of the earlier B version. Now I can see that b equals to this. Okay, as you can see here, the first row is 1 2 3 4. Now it's the first column, 1 2 3 4. Okay, then we can just like do the addition. Okay, like b plus 10. Okay, so b plus 10, what happens here? Simply 1 plus 10, 2 plus 10, 6 plus 10, 2 plus 10, 3 plus 10, 7 plus 10, like that. Okay, I can do the subtraction as well. Okay, I can do the subtraction as well, that is b minus. Okay, simple, 1 minus 10. Okay, so you can see here how it works. Okay, and one more thing, if I didn't write here anything on the left hand side, okay, so the default variable created by the Matlab is ans. Here, this ans. Okay, suppose here I write as 6, only 6. Okay, so ans contains 6. So this is the way the Matlab works. This is simply the basics of Matlab only. Okay, not much here to do. So we are done with the transpose, addition, subtraction, so we can take up the division as well. I don't know what's gonna happen, but we can see here b divided by 10. Okay, so what does it happen? Every element of b is divided by 10. Here b 1 upon 10, 0.1, 2 upon 10, 0.05, sorry, 0.2. So this is what happens here, b upon 10. Okay, so now what we will study, the matrix multiplication. And that percentage sign denotes the comments. Okay, whatever I write here followed by the percentage, it's simply a comment. It doesn't execute that statement. It's just for the user to understand what the program is doing. Okay, so matrix multiplication. Suppose I already have b. Okay, so I can create a. Okay, a is what? 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 6 7 8. Okay, 9 10 11 12. So this is my a. Now a star b. Okay, now you can see here what happens. This was my a. Okay, let me just write it here, b. Okay, this was my b. Now what did I do? I multiplied a with b. So what happens? 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 4. What's that? That is 16 plus 9 plus 4 plus 1, that is 30. Okay, so it's simple. The multiplication of matrices like you did in your 12th class or 11th class maybe. Okay, so this is the basic matrix multiplication, but here is some twist here. We can do element by element multiplication as well. A dot star b. A dot star b. What happens here? Okay, so here it is giving me error. Here it is giving me error. Why? Why it is giving me error? Okay, why it is giving me error? Because a dot star b means element by element multiplication, but the corresponding elements are not present for a and b as well. So what I am gonna do? I am gonna just simply transpose the b matrix here. B equals to b complement. Here. Now I will apply this instruction. Now it will work hopefully. Yes, now it's working. So you can see here, now what's my a? A is my this. Now you can see here, 1 multiplied by 1 is equals to 1. 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4. 3 multiplied by 3 equals to 9. 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Okay, this is my product of matrix, simply element by element multiplication, and that we called Hadamard product basically professionally. Okay guys, this is the part 1 of basics of Matlab, and please come back for part 2. In part 2 we will study array indexing, workspace window, how to save a mat file, how to load the mat file, how to create the string, and WHOS. Okay, and in part 2 we will also study how to create a new script. Okay, so I guess bye.